Good morning. I always show you the rest of my stuff every day, but my morning routine when I wake up is I get one of my coffees, I add ice to it, and then some water to it. This coffee is, for you new people, it is 3 sticks of the Taster's Choice instant coffee. So 3 of those, half of a scoop of protein powder, half of a scoop of keto collagen. I bought these when I was losing my hair when I was doing OMAD. So when these run out, I will not be using them anymore. I'll just be using 1 full scoop of protein powder. Anyway, so my coffee is this and this. These, sometimes I use some sugar-free syrup. This one happens to be Torani. I've also used skinny syrup, and I have to, and sometimes I use Element, the chocolate salt. Not every time, but sometimes. I have a few of them left, so I'm kind of trying to get rid of. I like to use things till they're all the way gone if possible. Anyway, so I drink around on my coffee, and that is my first thing of the day. And then I usually try to drink 2 relights before I eat lunch, because my brain does not recognize between hunger and thirst and digestion. So I really work to make sure I drink 2 of these cups with relight before I eat my lunch. Some days I do, some days I don't. Some days I eat because my brain says to eat. So anyway, even if I'm not hungry, so that's why I told y'all I have to eat based on times. But anyway, so that's my morning routine. Lunch is going to be some onion salt, some dehydrated or freeze-dried garlic, and some Montreal chicken seasoning. I don't know why this combo, but it's just what I pulled out and thought it sounded fine. And this is 6 ounces of 80/20 and 6 ounces of 93% ground beef. And there is my 11:30 meal today. Supper tonight is 2 1/4 patties of 80/20 burgers and some of the jicama that I made. You can see it in my previous video, my meal prep video. So I'm going to have this along with 1 serving of the Rouse marinara. And I'm going to add in 2 servings of heavy cream. And I'm going to microwave this and have this like a soup. And that's how it looks when it's done. I got this recipe from TikTok. And that is my creamy tomato bisque soup. And then my burger and jicama, herbed, whatever, jicama, herbed baked jicama. And I'm going to add 2 servings of Primal Kitchen ketchup to my burgers. I'm going to season them real quick. Just use some Greek seasoning. And then 30 mils of Primal Kitchen ketchup. Okay, there you go. That is my supper tonight. And there's my macro nutrition information for the day.